Hey everyone, welcome back to M&M PTE NAATI. This is Manmohit. So guys, in today's video, I am going to share with you all another fill in the blank reading question with all of you with the proper explanation as to what are the correct answers and then why are we picking those answers? What's the logic behind it? Why are we not picking the other answers? So like I say always, do pause the video at a point when I display the question so that you can first try to practice it by yourself and see how many correct answers are you able to get from a question, and then resume the video, follow alongside so that we can solve a question in detail. Just before I proceed, if you need help and support with your PTE exam, whether it's PTE Academic or PTE Core or NAATI Hindi, Punjabi or Gujarati, for coaching, online coaching, you can always contact us on either WhatsApp or Instagram or Facebook. The number is there on the screen, or simply search for M&M PTE NAATI. Message us, have a chat with us, with our admin, talk to us on phone so that we can make a plan for you to help you guys clear these exams in your very first attempt. Now let's begin with this one. So starting with this question, so like I said earlier, you can pause the video at this stage to try to solve it by yourself and see how many correct answers are you able to achieve from this question. So we've got 5 blanks over here and we've got few options over here. So 2, 4, 6 and 8 options given to us, and we need to select 5 correct answers. Starting with the first one, it says, while dash businesses struggle to adapt in today's competitive market, only a dash have managed to truly dash. So while is an opposite connector. That means it is denoting something opposite needs to happen in this sentence and the next sentence. So that's one hint. And this word business, it's not singular, it's a plural word. So that means it's businesses. That means we need a word over here which is related to businesses, but we need a plural word, a word that shows that something more than one is going to happen. So while dash businesses struggle to adapt in today's competitive market, only a dash. So only refers to only few. So we always say only a few. That's a saying. That's a collocation you can also say. So only, the word that we need over here needs to be something that denotes less quantity. So looking at the options, we have few, lot, many. So these 3 options are the ones that can fit in these 2 places. But looking at here, can we say while few businesses struggle? If I use the word few over here, I would not have anything to use in this part. So I need to use the word few over here. Only a few have managed to truly dash. So few is gone. Left is lot and many. So while lot businesses, that's grammatically incorrect. The only correct way would have been while a lot of businesses. A lot of businesses. That would have been grammatically right. But just the word lot will not fit over here. Many means more than one. So many word can fit over here when I say while many businesses, more than one business. Many businesses struggle to adapt in today's competitive market. That means they are struggling in today's market. Only a few, handful, few of those many businesses have managed to truly dash. So we need an opposite word to the word struggle because the word while, which is an opposite connector. So the word struggle and the options we have are thrive. And that's it. So only one word that shows something positive is the word thrive. Or succeed would have been the right answer too. Thrive already means succeed. So thrive over here is going to be my correct answer. So because this one sentence had 3 blanks in it, so I read the complete sentence in full to understand the meaning of it, and it helped me to solve 3 blanks one after the other. Now, those that succeed often work alongside innovative partners who help dash growth through collaboration and shared resources. So they're saying the businesses that succeed, they only succeed when they work alongside other innovative partners. So not in the same field, but some other partners that can help them to grow. So we need something about growth over here, who help dash growth. Do what? Growth is always increasing. So we need something to do with increasing and something to do with the word growth. Who help along growth, with growth, many growth, alongside growth. We already used the word alongside. So correct answer over here would be the word facilitate. Facilitate means help. So they help in the growth, and facilitate means assisting, helping. So that's the word over here. Who help facilitate growth through collaboration and shared resources. Thriving in such environments require not only resilience, but also the ability to adapt and work effectively dash others. So work effectively dash others. So the only 2 options that we have over here are the word with and along. Now the reason I'm going to go with the word along over here and not the word with is this was a bigger hint over here. Those that succeed often work alongside innovative partners. See, there's a slight difference between the word along and with. With means you're working together in collaboration, but you're doing the same thing. Working along means you're still doing independent things, like one company is doing this, another company is still doing that, but they're working along with each other. So with means working on the same thing together. Working along means working on their things individually but together. So that's the slight difference over here. And this was another hint, the word alongside. Hence, I am going to use the word along over here. So my correct answers would be, while many businesses, only a few have managed to truly thrive, who help facilitate and then work effectively along others. So these would be my right answers, and this is the reason I'm choosing these correct answers. So this is what I wanted to share in this video, so you guys have a bit of an idea of what are the correct answers, but most importantly, why are we picking those answers? Understanding the logic behind it, the grammar point of view, collocations, the actual meaning, the logic of the sentence, it just helps you to find the right answers a lot quicker. Plus, when you find the answers by thinking, by applying the logics, by applying grammar rules, by applying collocation, it just helps you to make sure that you're selecting the right responses. So I've uploaded so many of the other videos as well in this same playlist. Do watch the other ones too, so you get an idea and you practice so many questions with the proper explanation of them. And like I said earlier, if you need your online coaching, help and support, one-on-one feedback every single day, which me and Mohit personally provide to all our students, you can always get in touch with us and we'll make sure you guys clear your exams in a very first attempt. All the very best, guys, and I'll see you all in the next video.